I've got a hunch, Mr. Nutnut. Come on, let's fire up the old FKD. There might be a way out of this after all. Well, it was worth a try anyway. Barlow, I give up. I don't know what else to say. I'm beat.
Well, that's all right, partner. You've had a mighty big weight on your shoulders. Take a load off. It'll give you a whole new perspective.
Maybe you're right.
Of course I'm right, Slim. 'Cause lazing in the sunshine, taking a big old snooze.